Hey guys, what's up? It's Marissa. Welcome back to my channel. Today we have this golden goddess look right here. It's super easy, so if you want to see how I got this look, keep watching and I hope you enjoy the video. So I'm using this Morphe eyeshadow palette. It's the 35N palette, and I'm just taking a brown shade and putting that all over my crease area, and then I'm just darkening it up with darker browns and a black in my outer corner. And then I'm taking some concealer and cutting out the crease, and then on top of that I'm going to take some NYX glitter glue and gold glitter, and I'm going to be packing on the glue on top of the concealer and then packing on that gold glitter on top. And then I'm taking the same colors and going underneath my eye with that and aligning my waterline with some black pencil from NYX, and also winging out some eyeliner with the Wet n Wild eyeliner. For contour, I am using my Luminess Cosmetics contour palette, bronzing up my face really fast. For my lips, I'm just using some black paint. This is from Mehron Makeup. And also using some gold paint, I do some lines on my cheekbones. And also I cover my entire chest with that gold paint. Now I'm taking my Anastasia Sun Dip Glow Kit and putting some highlight into my face. Now I'm taking some Spirit Gum and some gold flakes that you can find at the craft store, and I'm just laying down some Spirit Gum and packing the flakes on top of that wherever I want them to be. So I put on the top of my cheekbones, along my collarbones on the chest, and on the neck. Then I'm taking some hair gel and some gold glitters, and I'm mixing them together to get like a paste, and I'm just taking a brush and putting that all over my hairline. And then I ended up putting that all over my chest too, because I wanted it to be more sparkly. And then I'm taking some gold flecks and then I'm going along the forehead and hairline as well. And then I pop on some lashes, and then that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this look and this tutorial. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tutorials, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!